Hello everyone. Let's dive into the ZQ620 Mobile Direct Thermal Printer. This particular unit is a renewed model, so we'll be keeping an eye out for any signs of wear and tear, but also focusing on the value proposition of buying renewed. First impressions are good. The ZQ620 feels solid and well built, which is what you'd expect from Zebra. It's a compact unit designed for mobile use, and the 3-inch print width is a sweet spot for many applications, from retail to field service. The black color gives it a professional look. Connectivity is key for a mobile printer, and the ZQ620 doesn't disappoint. It boasts both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, offering flexibility in how you connect to your devices. Whether you're using a smartphone, tablet, or a laptop, you should be able to get connected quickly and easily. The inclusion of a charger is a definite plus, ensuring you can keep the printer powered up and ready to go. Being a direct thermal printer, the ZQ620 doesn't require ink or toner. This simplifies maintenance and reduces running costs, as you only need to replace the thermal paper. This is a significant advantage for businesses that need to print receipts, labels, or other documents on the go. Now, let's talk about the renewed aspect. Buying renewed can be a great way to save money, but it's important to be aware of the potential downsides. A renewed product may have cosmetic imperfections, such as scratches or dents. However, it should also have been inspected and tested to ensure it's in good working order. In this case, it's important to inspect the printer carefully upon arrival to make sure it meets your expectations. The Zebra ZQ620 is designed for ease of use. Loading paper is straightforward, and the printer's controls are intuitive. Zebra also offers a range of software and apps that can further enhance the printing experience, allowing you to customize templates, manage settings, and monitor printer status. Who is this printer for? The ZQ620 is ideal for businesses that need a reliable and portable printing solution. Think retail environments, where employees need to print receipts at the point of sale. Field service technicians who need to print invoices or work orders on site, or transportation and logistics companies that need to print labels for packages. Overall, the Zebra ZQ620 Mobile Direct Thermal Printer appears to be a capable and versatile device. The combination of Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, direct thermal printing technology, and compact design make it a compelling option for mobile printing applications. The fact that this is a renewed unit adds an element of value, but it's important to carefully inspect the printer to ensure it meets your standards. If you're looking for a reliable mobile printer and are willing to consider a renewed option, the ZQ620 is definitely worth a look.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.